the 2011 BMW 328i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. BMW prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, and cruise control. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.